Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to use Gemma for latest version using Ollama. As you can see, it works fine locally without internet, and this is my Ollama. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Ollama website, ollama.com. After that, go right here to download and download the Ollama program. If you have Windows, download for Windows, Linux, this link. Gonna start like this. Copy it, or Mac OS, you can download it here. Okay, after downloading this Ollama, you get and install it in your machine. After that, you can run it by this. Okay. As you can see, Ollama is run successfully. Okay. To run Ollama or download any model, you need to copy a command and run it on your terminal. How to do that? You have to go here and search for command prompt. And this is the only thing you want to know. After that, how to get the models, you have to go right here to Ollama models and search any model as you want. For us, I want to download the Gemma for the latest version. Okay, search for Gemma. LLMs 4. Okay, the latest version is this one, updated 1 week ago. Okay, let's see. Okay, as you can see, this is my Gemma 4. Click right here and go copy this link and go here, paste it, and will manifest the downloading is begin of our model. It takes some time. Okay, fine. Now you can run your model. Okay, let's test it with the internet and locally without internet. Okay, tell me about Gemini Pro. It's thinking right now. Okay, as you can see, this is the information about Gemini Pro. Gemini Pro is powerful and advanced model writing in Gemini family. Okay. Okay, there is a lot of information about this model. Okay. Now I want to run it anytime as you want. Okay, let's close it. And let's see it works without internet or not. Okay, let's go right here. Close the internet. Okay, and copy this one, Ollama run Gemma 4. Go here to command prompt. Paste this one and run it. And let's see it works or not. As you can see, it works. Let's test it. The usage of the CPU and the GPU. Okay, GPU. Okay, NB about not. Okay, look at this. It's still thinking right now. And the usage of the CPU utilization is 60%. It takes some time to add our information because it uses the GPU and the CPU. If you have powerful GPU and powerful CPU, this model is run quickly. Okay, as you can see, this works fine without internet, as you can see. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.